When you look up at the night sky, it seems so peaceful, right? But the truth is, the universe is a chaotic, mind-bending place trying to kill us, devour us, or just flat out ignore the laws of logic. Forget what you saw in sci-fi movies. Reality is way, way stranger. I'm here to show you just how strange. These are 25 space facts that will make you feel infinitely small. Let's start with number 25, the Great Attractor. Our galaxy isn't just drifting aimlessly, it's being violently pulled toward something massive and completely invisible. We call it the Great Attractor. We have no idea what it is, only that its gravitational pull is so immense it's yanking thousands of entire galaxies, including our own, toward it. Number 24, absolute silence. Space is a perfect vacuum. That means there's no air for sound to travel through. You could be floating right next to a star-going supernova, an explosion bright enough to outshine a galaxy, and you would hear absolutely nothing. Just complete, deafening silence. Number 23, the sun is basically everything. If you gathered up every single thing in our solar system, all the planets, all their moons, every asteroid, and Cometant put it all on a giant cosmic scale, the sun alone would account for 99.8% of the total mass. We, and everything we know, are literally the leftover cosmic dust from its birth. Number 22, clouds of alcohol. Number 20, a day longer than a year. Welcome to Venus, the weirdest planet next door. Venus rotates on its axis so incredibly slowly that it takes longer to complete one single day than it does to orbit the sun. A day on Venus is 243 Earth days, but its year is only 225. So on Venus, your birthday would arrive before the day even ends. Try wrapping your head around that. Number 19, the Diamond Planet. There's an exoplanet out there called 55 Cancri e, and it's nicknamed the Diamond Planet for a good reason. It's about twice the size of Earth and is thought to be made primarily of carbon, much of it in the form of graphite and pure diamond. These brilliant flashes, called relativistic jets, are some of the most energetic events in the known universe. Number 15, Saturn would float. Despite being the second largest planet in our solar system, Saturn is a gas giant with an incredibly low density. In fact, it's less dense than water. So if you could find an ocean large enough to hold it, Saturn wouldn't sink. It would float, bobbing on the surface like a giant ringed rubber ducky. Number 14, space junk. Our planet is surrounded by a halo of garbage. There are currently over 500,000 pieces of space debris, from old rocket parts to tiny flecks of paint, orbiting Earth at speeds up to 17,500 miles per hour. At that velocity, even a tiny piece of paint can hit a satellite or spaceship with the force of a bullet, causing catastrophic damage. Number 13, the color of the universe. What color do you think the universe is? Black? Deep blue? Nope. In 2002, scientists averaged all the light from over 200,000 galaxies. The result? a pale beigeish white. They officially named this average color Cosmic Latte. So, the next time you have your morning coffee, you're looking at the true color of the cosmos. Number 12. It rains glass sideways. There's a planet called HD 189733b that looks like a beautiful deep blue marble from a distance. But up close, it's a nightmare. The winds there blow at a staggering 5,400 miles per hour, and its atmosphere is rich in silicate particles. This means it literally rains molten glass sideways in a perpetual global storm. Number 11. The sun is actually white. We see the sun as yellow, orange, or red because the Earth's atmosphere scatters its light, filtering out the shorter wavelengths like blue and violet. But if you were on the International Space Station, floating above the atmosphere, you would see the sun for what it truly is, a brilliant, pure white star. Number 10. The Great Red Spot is shrinking. Jupiter's iconic Great Red Spot is a gigantic storm, an anticyclone that has been raging for centuries. 100 years ago, it was so vast you could fit 3 Earths inside it. But recently, astronomers have watched it shrink dramatically. Today, barely 1 Earth can fit inside, and no one is sure if it will eventually disappear completely. Number 9. Time travel is real. Every time you look at the stars, you are looking into the past. Because light takes time to travel across the vast distances of space, you're not seeing the star as it is right now. You're seeing it as it was when the light left it. The North Star, Polaris, is over 400 light years away. The light you see tonight left that star around the time Galileo was first looking through a telescope. You could be admiring a star that, in reality, exploded and died thousands of years ago. Number 8. Rogue planets. Most planets are gravitationally bound to a star, but not all of them. There are countless rogue planets that have been ejected from their home systems and now drift alone through the cold, pitch-black darkness of interstellar space. They are aimless wanderers, frozen and untethered, moving through the void for eternity. Number 7. Olympus Mons. The largest volcano in our solar system isn't on Earth. It's on Mars. Olympus. Mons is a shield volcano so enormous it's nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Its base is roughly the size of the entire state of Arizona. If it were on Earth, its peak would be far above the cruising altitude of a passenger jet. Number 6. Jupiter, the bodyguard. Jupiter is more than just a big, gassy planet. It's our protector. Its immense gravitational field acts like a cosmic bodyguard for Earth, attracting and deflecting countless comets and asteroids that would otherwise be on a collision course with us. Without Jupiter cleaning up the solar system, life on our planet might have been wiped out by impacts long ago. Number 5. Floating water. Astronomers have discovered the largest and oldest reservoir of water ever detected in the universe. It's a gigantic cloud of water vapor surrounding a distant quasar, a supermassive black hole. This reservoir holds 140 trillion times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. The universe is literally full of water. Now for our top 3, prepare yourselves. Number 3. The Andromeda Collision. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is not alone. And it's not stationary. We are on a direct collision course with our nearest large neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, hurtling toward each other at about 250,000 miles per hour. In about 4.5 billion years, the 2 galaxies will merge in a spectacular cosmic dance. But here's the crazy part. Space is so vast that when they collide, it's incredibly unlikely that any 2 stars will actually hit each other. They'll just pass through one another like ghosts. Number 2. The void isn't empty. We used to think of empty space as, well, empty. But it's not. The vacuum of space is filled with a mysterious, invisible force that scientists call dark energy. We have no idea what it is, but it's causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate, pushing everything apart faster and faster. This unknown energy makes up about 68% of the entire universe. Everything we can see and touch is just a tiny fraction of what's really out there. And the number one space fact that will make you feel infinitely small: the multiverse. According to some of the most prominent theories in physics, like string theory, our universe isn't the only one. It might just be one bubble in an infinite cosmic foam of other universes. This is the multiverse. If it's true, then everything that can happen, has happened, is happening, or will happen in some other universe. That means there could be another version of you on another Earth, listening to this exact same sentence right now, in a universe that is just a little bit different from our own. The universe isn't just big, it's stranger and more wonderful than we can possibly imagine. Thanks for watching. If these facts blew your mind, hit that subscribe button and join us for more journeys into the unknown.